Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do an example where we calculate a phase change. So let's take a look at this question. We're starting with 50 grams of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. And one of the things we'll take a look at is what's given to us. So let's go ahead and circle what's given to us. We're given 50 grams. We're going to identify this as a mass. And we also see that the temperature remains the same. The main difference here is that ice is becoming liquid water. This is considered a phase change. So I'm going to take a look at the periodic table located here. This is the back side. And one of the things we're going to take a look at first is what's actually happening. So is there a phase change occurring? Yes, there is. So we're not using this one here. The question then is it fusion or is it vaporization? It turns out that vaporization is for anything that has a gas to liquid transition. Is this what we're looking at here? No, it's not. This means that we're looking at fusion. Fusion is a liquid to solid transition. So we'll be using this equation right here. What other information do we need? It says delta H FUS, which stands for fusion. This is a value that is a constant. So if we look down here, we're looking here, latent heat of fusion actually gives us the numbers. There are two numbers, 334 and 80 calories per gram. According to our question, it's asking us to calculate this in calories. So this is the one we'll be using. So let's start by writing out our equation. Q is equal to M times delta H, fusion. Notice that there is no temperature here. The only thing that's here is this delta H fusion. Let's go ahead and plug in everything that we know. We don't know what Q is. We do know our mass. Our mass is going to be 50 grams. What is delta H fusion? This is the number that's given on the back of the periodic table. We can see that it is 80 calories per gram. So go ahead and pop this in here, 80 calories per gram. Now we can solve. Grams cancels and we get 50 times 80 calories. Answer here, 5 times 8 is 40. We'll carry the two zeros across and we get 4,000 calories. Now, let's think about this. Is this a positive value or a negative value? So I'm going to draw a little chart here. Solids are usually on the bottom. Liquids are usually right above them. And if I'm going from solid to liquid, we can see that it's going up in energy. This means that we should be increasing in energy. Therefore, it is absorbing energy. So this value is a positive Q. Q is positive 4,000 calories.